fellow Globetrotters. Welcome to Nomad Nexus, your ultimate gateway to the world's most captivating travel destinations. We're here to guide you through awe-inspiring adventures, unveiling secret spots and giving you insider tips to fuel your wanderlust. From renowned landmarks to hidden treasures, we promise immersive experiences and unforgettable journeys. Today, we're setting our sights on the land of the pharaohs, the bustling, vibrant city of Cairo, Egypt. Without further ado, let's dive into the heart of Egypt and explore the vibrant city of Cairo. Our first stop takes us to the awe-inspiring pyramids of Giza. Rising majestically from the desert's edge, these colossal structures are a testament to human ingenuity and endurance. Constructed over 4,000 years ago, the pyramids served as the final resting places for the pharaohs, the god-kings of ancient Egypt. The largest of them, the Great Pyramid, was built for the pharaoh Khufu and remained the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. Comprised of over 2 million blocks of stone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, this architectural marvel truly embodies the grandeur and sophistication of the ancient civilization. A stone's throw away stands the Sphinx, a limestone statue of a mythical creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human. This enigmatic sentinel has been guarding the Giza plateau for millennia, its origins shrouded in mystery. But the pyramids of Giza are not just historical relics, they're a vibrant part of Egypt's cultural fabric. Today, they continue to captivate visitors from all corners of the globe, their timeless beauty leaving an indelible impression on all who behold them. So, whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply an intrepid explorer, the pyramids of Giza offer an unparalleled journey into the past. A voyage into the heart of an ancient civilization that continues to inspire and fascinate to this day. A visit to Egypt is incomplete without soaking in the grandeur of these ancient wonders. Next, we venture into the halls of the Egyptian Museum, a treasure trove of history. This grand institution, nestled in the heart of Cairo, is home to an extensive collection of over 120,000 items, each echoing tales of a civilization that once was. Among these countless artifacts, you'll find the awe-inspiring Tutankhamun collection, a testament to the grandeur of the Boy King's reign. The golden mask of Tutankhamun, a symbol of divine power and immortality, is an iconic artifact that has captivated the world for decades. Just a few steps away, the Royal Mummy Room silently narrates the lives of Egypt's most powerful rulers. The mummies, each meticulously preserved, paint a vivid portrait of the pharaoh's immortal quest. Here you'll find mummies of the great pharaoh Ramses II, Queen Hatshepsut, and others, their faces frozen in time, whispering tales of power, ambition, and intrigue. The Egyptian Museum also houses an impressive array of papyrus scrolls, jewelry, and everyday objects that offer a glimpse into the daily life of ancient Egyptians. From intricately crafted amulets to beautifully illustrated Book of the Dead scrolls, these artifacts tell stories of love, life, and death in a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago. This museum is not just a building filled with objects. It's a time machine that transports you back to an era of pharaohs and pyramids, gods and goddesses, life and afterlife. A journey through time, the Egyptian Museum offers an immersive glimpse into Egypt's rich past. For a shopping experience like no other, we head to El-Khalili Bazaar. This vibrant marketplace, nestled in the heart of historic Cairo, is a treasure trove of unique finds, brimming with life, color, and the irresistible allure of the Orient. From the moment you step into its bustling lanes, you're swept up in a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and scents that awaken your senses. Every corner of El-Khalili teems with an eclectic mix of goods. From intricately designed jewelry, handcrafted metalworks, to exquisite Egyptian cotton and tantalizing spices, there's something for everyone in this labyrinthine bazaar. Each item tells a story, a testament to the bazaar's centuries-old tradition of craftsmanship and commerce. But El-Khalili is more than just a marketplace. It is a living, breathing piece of Cairo's history and culture. Its winding alleys and vibrant stalls have witnessed the ebb and flow of dynasties, each leaving its own unique imprint. The bazaar has stood the test of time, a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Egyptian people. And of course, no visit to El-Khalili would be complete without sampling the local cuisine. From the aromatic Egyptian coffee brewed in traditional finjans to the mouth-watering kashari, every bite is an explosion of flavors that encapsulates the rich tapestry of Egyptian cuisine. A bustling hub of culture and commerce, the El-Khalili Bazaar is a sensory delight, a must-visit destination that offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Cairo. We now explore the serene confines of the Hanging Church. Nestled in the heart of Old Cairo, this architectural marvel is a testament to the city's rich religious heritage. Known officially as St. Virgin Mary's Coptic Orthodox Church, it's colloquially referred to as the Hanging Church, due to its location above a gatehouse of the old Roman fortress. The church's intricate wooden roof, designed to resemble Noah's Ark, is a spectacle of craftsmanship. Majestic in its simplicity, it stands as a symbol of resilience, having withstood the passage of time since the 7th century. Iconic religious artwork adorns the interior, with a collection of 68 icons depicting scenes from the Bible. The oldest, a 7th century piece, portrays the Virgin Mary, St. John the Theologian, and St. George. This haven of tranquility holds significant religious importance. It once served as the seat of the Coptic Orthodox Pope, further cementing its place in Cairo's rich tapestry of faith and history. A testament to Cairo's rich religious tapestry, the Hanging Church is an iconic symbol of the city's diverse heritage. For a breath of fresh air, we stroll through the lush Azhar Park. This green oasis in the heart of Cairo is a world away from the city's bustling streets. With over 70 acres of manicured gardens, this haven offers a tranquil respite for locals and visitors alike. The park is a kaleidoscope of colors where blooming flowers paint a vibrant tapestry against the azure Egyptian sky. Tall palm trees sway gently in the breeze, casting dappled shadows on emerald lawns. Visitors to Azhar Park can enjoy a range of activities. From picnicking under the expansive sky to exploring the park's historic sites, there's something for everyone. The park is home to the stunning Ayyubid Wall, a testament to Cairo's rich history. As the sun sets, the park transforms into a magical place, with twinkling lights reflecting off the many fountains. Azhar Park is a peaceful retreat amidst Cairo's bustling cityscape. For a touch of culture and class, we visit the Cairo Opera House. Nestled in the heart of the city, this architectural gem is more than just a venue for spectacular performances. It's a symbol of Egypt's rich cultural tapestry. With a history that spans over 100 years, the Cairo Opera House has seen the rise of many music and dance legends, hosting a variety of shows from grand operas to ballets and symphonies. Every detail of its design tells a story. Its modern Islamic architectural style reflects the city's progressive spirit, while echoing the echoes of its ancient past. An evening here promises more than just entertainment. It's an intimate encounter with Egypt's soul, a celebration of its artistic prowess and a testament to its cultural depth. Whether you're a lover of the arts or a casual visitor, the Cairo Opera House invites you to experience a different side of Cairo. The Cairo Opera House is a testament to Egypt's thriving arts scene. We delve into the historic district of Coptic Cairo. This part of the city, also known as Old Cairo, is a treasure trove of history and culture that has stood the test of time. Here, ancient structures whisper tales of the past, interweaving stories of faith, resilience, and coexistence. The heartbeat of Coptic Cairo is the religious diversity it houses. This area is home to some of Egypt's most significant Christian landmarks, including the Hanging Church, St. Sergius and Bacchus Church, and the Coptic Museum. But it's not just Christian history that resides here. The Ben Ezra Synagogue stands as a testament to the Jewish presence in Egypt, while the Amr ibn al-As Mosque nearby highlights the Islamic influence. Coptic Cairo is a melting pot of religions, a place where Christianity, Judaism, and Islam have coexisted for centuries. The narrow, winding lanes are steeped in history, their every nook and cranny echoing with stories of a time when these three great religions lived side by side. Among the area's many landmarks, one that stands out is the Hanging Church, so named because it was built on top of the water gate of Roman Babylon. With its intricate wooden ceiling mimicking Noah's Ark, it's a marvel of ancient architecture. As you wander through Coptic Cairo, you'll feel the weight of history around you. It's a place where the past is ever present, where every stone, every corner tells a story. Coptic Cairo offers a unique glimpse into the city's layered past. Next, we ascend to the imposing Citadel. One of Cairo's most striking features, the Citadel, also known as the Saladin Citadel, perches atop Mokattam Hill. This fortified complex's history is a tale of power and perseverance, dating back to the 12th century when the Ayyubid ruler, Saladin, envisioned a grand fortress to protect the city from potential crusader attacks. Over the centuries, the Citadel's role evolved from a military stronghold to a royal residence, and now to a prominent tourist attraction. Each era has bestowed its unique touch, resulting in a fascinating blend of architectural styles. From Ottoman mosques to British-era upgrades, every corner of the Citadel whispers stories of Cairo's vibrant past. But the Citadel isn't just about history. It offers an unparalleled perspective of the city. From its elevated vantage point, you gain a panoramic view of Cairo's urban tapestry. The city's skyline, dotted with minarets, domes, and modern structures, unfolds before your eyes, presenting a breathtaking tableau of Cairo's eclectic charm. As you stand atop the Citadel, feeling the warm Egyptian wind and gazing at the city stretching out below, you can't help but be moved by the sheer grandeur of it all. The Citadel is more than a monument. It's a testament to Cairo's enduring resilience and dynamic evolution. The Citadel stands as a powerful symbol of Cairo's resilient spirit. We conclude our journey with a mesmerizing Nile River cruise. Imagine floating gently down the world's longest river, the very lifeblood of Egypt, as the sun sets over the horizon, casting a golden glow on the water. This is a moment where time seems to stand still, where the hustle and bustle of Cairo fades into the background, replaced by the rhythmic lull of lapping waves. The Nile River cruise is not merely a mode of transportation. It's a gateway into Egypt's past. As we glide along the calm waters, we witness the country's rich history unfolding before our eyes. From the ancient pyramids shadowing the riverbanks to the modern cityscapes dotting the horizon, the cruise offers a panoramic view of Egypt's timeline. The river, a silent storyteller, whispers tales of pharaohs and civilizations that once thrived along its banks. Every ripple carries a story, every gust of wind echoes with the voices of the past. It's a journey through time, a voyage into the heart of Egypt. As the cruise sails further, the city's cacophony fades away, replaced by an enveloping tranquility. The Nile, in its timeless beauty, offers a serene escape, a place to unwind and reflect. The twinkling Cairo skyline at dusk, the gentle whisper of the river against the hull, the cool evening breeze, it's a symphony of sensations that soothes the soul. A Nile River cruise is the perfect end to our Cairo adventure, offering a tranquil escape from the bustling city. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey through the world's most captivating travel destinations. We hope you've been inspired, uncovered hidden gems, and ignited your wanderlust with Nomad Nexus. As we conclude our adventure together, remember to subscribe and stay connected to continue exploring the wonders of the globe. Until next time,